You can change how much light comes through and how bright you want it. It's not aggressive at all. Like hitting the brakes for this red light, it downshifts. Oh my God. That is so much torque. It's only 478 foot-pounds of torque, but it does not feel it.
What's happening?
We're getting pulled over in a minute here.
On the Huracan?
We're doing the Huracan.
What do you do for a living? Steve, what are you looking at?
Bro, 10 out of 10, not impressed with you right now.
Why?
Why would you pick a hotel where we don't have a lake view?
I know, but look, there's August.
Well, there's August, I mean, great, but there's no water here.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's out of the that's out of the door.
Okay, so the viewers are probably wondering why we're here right now.
Yes, exactly.
Here we're gonna grab our stuff, cars in the parkade, go give it a bath because after the 20-hour drive yesterday, she is covered in road debris and bugs.
I mean the off-roading also.
So that was your idea.
Yeah, not my idea.
You're shaking your head no, but it was your idea.
No.
Anyway, definitely need Starbucks on the agenda. Let's get rolling. And from there, we'll show you guys why we came into Kelowna for yet the 4th time in a month.
Yeah, seriously, let's get out of here.
And it's not for Swiss Chalet.
Oh!
Wow! I mean, maybe. you know what? I love Swiss Chalet, but for the first time in my life, a little Swiss Chalet'd out.
No!
My wife thought it would never happen. I think it might have. Okay, let's roll. Wait.
What happened?
You have the room key?
I do have the room key, actually. Yeah, we're good for that.
Can't trust me. I lost 4 of them on
Yeah, exactly. The hotel's right there. Starbucks is right there.
And
we drove from there to there.
You think I'm gonna walk that?
Yeah.
I got a car here.
Yeah, nothing.
What am I, 15? I don't need to walk places.
Hey, I was just gonna say, there's only 1 cup holder in the car and there's 2 drinks.
Well, mine's bigger, so you better slam that shit.
Yeah, let's get out of here then.
Let's do it.
Look at these vehicles, guys. Unreal. Whoa, Steve. What? We came car shopping, not helicopter.
Think of how surprised Leah would be if I brought this home.
I guarantee you she will not be surprised.
She will be so surprised I'll be sleeping in it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, boys, so Mike and Spencer seem to think that I need a 3rd supercar in my life. So we were taking the keys to the 2020 McLaren GT and let's go for a drive, see what we think of it, and come back.
Excited. You know why I'm excited? Because of this.
Hey, do I need a 3rd supercar?
You do not need a 3rd supercar.
What do you think?
Except for this car.
What's Leah gonna say if I bring home a 3rd supercar?
Not enough space in the garage.
Go check it out.
Yeah.
So first impression, I actually feel like I'm in a spaceship right now.
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
It's very. I feel like the Jetsons. Do you remember the Jetsons?
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna dance around it. There's a lot less room in here than my Huracan.
Way less space to
man,
shoot in.
So much space. There's a little space. I mean, like,
yeah,
it's crazy. But, you know,
it's
so far,
McLaren though.
Driving is really good. I haven't got on the throttle.
Like, don't get me wrong. It seems like less space, but like I'm comfortable. These seats are nice.
Very comfortable.
Yeah,
No, very comfortable. I actually do like the steering wheel position a lot. But definitely less space. But when I look in my mirror, it looks like a spaceship.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of torque.
Yeah.
Like a lot of torque.
That was nice.
That was a lot of torque.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Man, like it's a smooth
Very
ride.
smooth.
How's the drive?
Man, it's so nice. Get in, I'll show you. Okay, so far the car has been really tame and calm. The McLaren GT has a V8 twin turbo, makes 612 horsepower. Let's see what it does. Oh, it is torque.
Oh,
wow. very impressed. Very cool. And you can actually hear the turbos with some straight pipes on here, like modded. It would sound awesome. That was impressive.
That was amazing.
On the highway is amazing.
But it's so smooth. That's a great
so
part. Like,
smooth.
It's smooth.
Like compared to my Huracan and Gallardo,
oh yeah,
it's very smooth.
yeah.
Another thing I'm really impressed with is the visibility on the car. When you compare this car to my Huracan or Gallardo, the Gallardo is a blind spot on wheels. You can't see anything.
Oh yeah.
It's not user friendly. This car is very visible in every direction I look, like in the mirrors and everything. There's no blind spots. So kudos to McLaren on that one. It's not aggressive at all. Like hitting the brakes for this red light, it downshifts very smooth. So the McLaren GT is rated at 0 to 60 2.8 seconds, and it is all of that. Wow. 0 to 60 2.8 seconds, but the impressive one is 0 to 124 miles per hour in 9.2 seconds, I think, or something like that. Like, it's impressive. And it is all of that. That is a pile of torque. I actually think this would outperform the 488 GTP. I'd have to compare the two together, but I actually think it would. One thing I don't like is that when I turn the wheel, the paddle shifts turn with it as well. I've had Corvettes like that, and it's just something I don't like. I do like the way the Huracan and Gallardo, when I turn the wheel, the paddle shifts are in the same spot all the time, and they're big, so they're easy to catch. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That is so much torque. It's only 478 foot-pounds of torque, but it does not feel it.
So, Draper,
What's happening?
this or the Lambo?
Like I said, I gotta go for a drive. I gotta go take it for a bit. That's the only way you can
I
tell.
swear, it's the doors for me though.
It is the doors.
Right?
Yeah.
This or the Lamborghini?
Okay, this comes pretty damn close.
Right?
For sure.
So much comfier.
It is. The seats are nice and comfy.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing. I think I look pretty good in this car.
Oh yeah. Woo-wee. You're telling me you still wouldn't take this over the Lambo?
I didn't say that.
No, I heard you say that.
No, I did not. You can actually look at the footage behind me.
Serious face.
No, we already talked about this. You can go in the previous clip. I say we have to go for a bag session, and that will ultimately what it is.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
See you guys.
See you later, Draper.
See you in a little bit.
Talk to you later.
Have fun.
So there's some things that have to be said about the car. The ground clearance is unreal. This doesn't have the front lift assist, but yet the car sits very supercar low, but going over speed bumps is no challenge at all for it. So that's a plus. Some things I do notice it's missing compared to even the Lamborghini is just some of the luxury features that go with it. I do notice a lot of heat coming from the rear, and I can only assume it's either from the rear glass or the engine heat itself. It's really difficult to tell where it's coming from, but there is a lot of heat coming from the rear of the vehicle. Honestly though, on like hairpin corners, the 7-speed transmission's lightning fast, and it glues to the road on hairpin corners. I'll give you an example here. If you watch Noid here, right?
God.
Like, just glues to the road. There's a lot of pros and cons to the cars. Honestly, my first McLaren experience. Overall, I would say it went really well. I would buy a McLaren. Would I buy a McLaren over the Ferrari 488? I don't know. Like, I really enjoy the 488. So a couple features I want to point out. The audio system in this thing is unreal. Did you get a close-up of that door weed? Grab a...
Oh yeah.
The audio system is unreal. Like, I'm very impressed with that. Really cool feature though is the glass roof on it. You can change how much light comes through and how bright you want it. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Steve, what'd you think of that vehicle?
I like it, but honestly, Spencer, if I were to buy another car, I think it would be the 488.
Still set on it?
Still sold on the 488. Thanks anyway.
All right, man. No worries.
What, Spencer? We thought we
worries.
could sell them on this.
Well, it's a beautiful car, man.
It is a beautiful car. I think it's the doors for me, the luxury ride. But yeah, I don't know
Are
what's...
like the 675s and the 720s, are they more aggressive than this?
This is gonna be a little more tame. This is like your everyday McLaren.
Yeah,
Is
it was
that
very
right?
smooth.
Yeah.
It felt like we were in the Land Rover, but it was a supercar.
Yes,
Exactly.
yeah. So, but like a 675 would be much more aggressive?
Yeah, a lot more aggressive.
So we're gonna try that next.
A lot more
Yeah,
snarly.
yeah, exactly. Well, anyways, so do all the good stuff.
And
that was
it.
I'm waiting, Steve, for you to buy another.
I came here for something else. You guys tried to sell me on a car.
Yeah, and it was a beautiful car. Anyways, well, yeah, exactly. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's unreal.
Yeah.
Well, do all the good stuff, like, dislike.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, later.